Hello fellow steamers, St. Paul Steam and Machine here. I've got something out in the garage. It's a Keller die filer. And apparently I got the deluxe model, the top of the line. There it is right there. Then there it is again. See, it cost $210. I don't know what year, but quite a while ago. There's the standard model and some of the accessories that come with it. I did actually get another arm with mine. Let's go out and look at it. Okay, here it is. This is the Keller die filer model F256B. She weighs stock 81 pounds, and somebody's put this steel base on it, so it's kicking close to 100 pounds. And this wonderful machine was bought right across the street from me. Got it. The girls were having a fellow that lived there since '68. His wife passed away last year, and the daughters finally are cleaning out the garage and everything, and they came across this, and I was able to get it from them. And I have cleaned it up. Got another video where it was not so clean. Didn't take much to get it running. Didn't have to spend any money on it. Probably could use a new belt because it's sat in one position so long that it's got a definite curvature to it. It makes the motor here kind of flop up and down a little bit. But even the little puffer, which is just barely a puffer, works. So let's give her a go. I have a feeling this is a little bit later one before the company went out of business. This is a plastic shield here. It's got really neat adjustments to it though. And they're old thumb knobs. Left to right, forward to rear. And this one's got the extra arm on it right here. Hold down arm. That thing's heavy. This has the built-in spring. Most of them just hold the file from the bottom, and it's got a little roller up top to kind of keep. You can only go one direction on it. And this is a blade file I just had. It's probably not the correct one, but it works. I've always wanted one. I never thought I would find one 50 feet across the front of my house. I did have to do a little wiring on it. Wiring really needs a new cord. There's no date under the bottom of this platform there, the table. Alright, let's see if it'll actually file something. Let's get a little closer. Got one notch in there, kind of cut it in. What? Let's put two in there. I don't really have a very aggressive file on it. And there we have it. She does work. I'm really tickled with it. It's one of those things that you don't go out of your way to find. They're kind of obsolete anymore. But this one's very complete with nearly all the accessories. I was going to drain the oil out of it, but it was really good. It's Model 1A, and it's the deluxe one. Property tag, I don't know whose that was, but Anyway, there we go. One Keller die filer. Thanks for looking, folks. Bye now.